Okay, now we introduce our new machine for body slimming, and this is ShapeV machine. And now we introduce the working handles. This is the cavitation handles and the vacuum RF laser heads for face. And there are two tips for these handles. And this is the medium vacuum RF handles. And this is the big one. Also, vacuum RF laser handles for body.
Okay, now we install the working handle. Body handle 1 just match body handle 1, and the body handle 2 match and the face handle. Now we install.
This is the filter for wastewater. When the bottom was full and you have to pour off the wastewater and then install it. Just insert it directly, and these three is the same, and then cover. And when you want to replace this vacuum RF roller, you need to press these two buttons, press it, and then take out the handle. Insert the roller directly to the handles. You will hear a voice. Cut. Finish. Okay, for these small handle pieces for face, there are two tips for replace. When you want to change the tips, you have to pull off the tips slowly, and then when you install the tips, you have to mind that there is the solder. This match this, and then insert it. Okay. We do the cavitation treatment. Put the gel on the treatment part. Choose the cavitation and adjust the intensity. Okay. And make the handles fully touch the skin. Avoid to do the treatment on the bowl. Before do the vacuum RF laser treatment, put the essential oil on the treatment part. Okay, we do the vacuum RF laser treatment, and there choose this, and there are 9 modes for this, and we use the arrow. Arrow is the continue mode. And this is adjusted the vacuum level. There are also 5 levels for the vacuum, 7 levels. Do the treatment from 1 level, low level. And then this 4 button is control the direction of this RF roller, like this. And then this is the rotation speed. Control the rotation speed. Also do it from small level and the RF intensity. Start from lower intensity. And this is control the laser. The laser in the handles. And you can also use these buttons to control the vacuum RF and the intensity. It's the same to the skin. Start the treatment. Move the handle slowly. And now use the medium handles for arm. Put the essential oil on the face. Okay, start the face treatment. Adjust the oil intensity from low level.